Have you ever noticed how some days you feel completely unstoppable and other days you can barely drag yourself out of bed? What if I told you the difference between a lazy day and a record-breaking one lies inside your closet? Today, we're exploring the science of how clothes actively change your brain. We're going to learn how to use your activewear not just as something to sweat in, but as a strategic tool to transform your fitness, your motivation, and your ability to reach your goals. By the end of today's video, you'll learn how to control your performance with the clothes you choose to wear. The main idea we're talking about is enclothed cognition. It's a fancy term for a simple idea. What we wear has a scientifically proven effect on our thoughts, feelings, and even our actions. This goes way beyond just look good, feel good. It's about how your clothes send direct signals to your brain that can literally change how well you perform. The most famous study on this gave a group of people a white coat to wear. When they were told it was a doctor's coat, their performance on attention-related tasks improved by up to 50%. But when another group wore the exact same coat and was told it was a painter's smock, their performance didn't improve at all. It was the symbolism of the coat and the identity it represented that unlocked that higher performance. That's the core of enclosed cognition. When you wear clothing that you associate with a certain ability, your brain starts to adopt those traits. Your outfit becomes a mental cue that primes you for a certain behavior. So, if a simple white coat can make someone more focused, imagine what a killer outfit could do for your dedication and performance in the gym. The first way fashion seriously affects fitness is through what I like to call the second skin effect. This is all about the physical feeling of wearing high-quality, well-fitting activewear. When your clothes are actually designed to support and promote movement, they get rid of physical barriers you might not even know are holding you back. Think about it. Workout gear that's too loose, too tight, or made from cheap, unbreathable fabric is like trying to listen to your favorite song through a broken speaker. You're constantly fidgeting, pulling things up or down, or adjusting straps. Every one of those tiny annoyances pulls your focus away from your form and effort. When you're distracted, your performance tanks, and your motivation can easily nosedive. High-performance activewear, though, is like putting on a pair of noise-canceling headphones. It acts like a second skin. It moves with you, supports you, and wicks away sweat, letting you forget you're even wearing it. Getting rid of that physical static is huge. It frees up your mental energy and lets you get into a flow state where you're completely absorbed in your workout. This isn't just about comfort, it's about efficiency. Research published in the Journal of Fashion Marketing and Management found that when people wore well-fitting, functional activewear, their body confidence increased significantly, and this led to a measurable rise in motivation to exercise. All right, let's dive into the concept called dopamine dressing. Dopamine is that chemical in your brain linked to pleasure, motivation, and reward. Dopamine dressing is like creating a visual playlist for your brain. You intentionally wear certain colors and styles to trigger a hit of that feel-good chemical, boosting your mood before you even hit the squat rack. This is where fashion and psychology connect, and color psychology plays a big part. Research suggests that different colors can spark specific emotional responses. Fiery colors like red and orange are tied to energy, power, and confidence. Wearing them is perfect for a HIIT session or a heavy lift day. Yellow is often connected to optimism and happiness, so a dash of yellow might make that tough cardio session a little less brutal. Calmer colors like blue and green can bring on feelings of peace and focus, making them perfect for yoga, Pilates, or an activity where you need to feel centered. But dopamine dressing is more than just color by numbers. It's completely personal. It's about wearing what makes you feel confident and powerful. Maybe that's a matching set that makes you feel sleek and put together. Maybe it's a pair of leggings with a wild print that shows off your fun personality. Or maybe it's just that brand new gear that you're excited to finally use. That new gear high is real. When you put on an outfit that you genuinely love and are excited to work out in, you're strengthening that mind-body connection. You're creating a positive emotional cue that your brain will start to link with exercise. Suddenly, the workout isn't a chore anymore, and you're basically giving your brain a pre-workout for a more positive and motivated session. If some of these ideas are starting to click and you're seeing your closet a little bit differently, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about exploring science-backed ways to improve our lives and helping you fall in love with movement. Another powerful trick is to create a workout uniform. We are creatures of habit, and routines have a huge effect on our mindset. Think about how a dog gets excited the second it sees you grab its leash. The leash itself doesn't create the walk, but it's a powerful symbol that flips the switch in the dog's brain. Your workout uniform does the same for you. It's a designated switch that tells you it's time to perform. This is also known as classical conditioning. The good news is, this doesn't mean you have to wear the same thing every day. It's about having the few go-to outfits that your brain associates with the activity of the day. These outfits are what you wear on days you need to dig deep, chase a new PR, or when your motivation is simply lacking. The workout uniform theory works because it eliminates decision fatigue and builds a powerful trigger for your brain. When you see that uniform laid out, your brain doesn't get to debate if you're working out or not. The decision is already made. Over time, just putting on that specific outfit can immediately trigger the right mindset. This can make you feel more capable and energized almost instantly. Athletes have been using this trick for decades. Their uniform is a part of their mental prep. When you dress like an athlete, you're that much closer to training like one. The real magic of combining psychology, fashion, and fitness is that the benefits don't just stop when your workout does. Dressing for an active day acts like the first domino, setting your mind in motion. When you start your morning in activewear that makes you feel confident, you're creating an immediate cue for action. And believe it or not, that cue matters. A study in the International Journal of Behavior, Nutrition, and Physical Activity found that people who wore comfortable fitness clothing increased their daily steps by 8 to 10%, simply because movement felt easier. Research on identity-based motivation shows that when you see yourself as active, you tend to choose behaviors that support that identity. You carry yourself differently, make healthier choices, and move throughout your day with more energy and confidence. Okay, I know that was a lot, so here's a quick recap. Number 1, the science of enclosed cognition, what you wear, actively shapes how you think, feel, and perform. Number 2, by choosing activewear that feels like a second skin, you eliminate distractions and allow your mind to truly focus. Number 3, by trying dopamine dressing, you can use different styles and colors to activate your brain motivation centers and make exercise something you actually look forward to. And number 4, by creating a workout uniform, you build a powerful switch in your brain that says it's go time. So here's my challenge for you. This week, before you go to bed, put out your workout uniform. Choose something that makes you feel confident and powerful and energized. Every morning when you wake up, make the first thing you do putting that workout uniform on. After 7 days, come back and let me know in the comments, did it work for you? Did you wake up feeling more energized? Did it take out the decision? I would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want a killer workout from home or in the gym or on vacation, click the latest video right here for a nasty 15-minute full body workout. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.